So hello everyone, this is me San and welcome back to the Get Trained with San channel. Right. So in my last video you guys have seen how I was actually sending friend requests through friend connector, right? And in this video I'm gonna show you that how also I can create my personalized message and then how I can send them out while sending a friend request, right? So let me quickly share my screen. Now, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook account and I have to open up the friend connector pop-up. After doing that, I need to go to the settings. Under the settings, you can see there are like two options for me, segments and groups. And this settings is a different option for me, which I'll be showing you obviously in my next video. So what exactly these segment and groups are for? Segments are something like, means in your personalized message where everywhere you are sending, hey there, this is me, and then you are actually describing a lot of information for your users, right, or for your leads. Now each segment can have unlimited of blocks. That means what? If I create a segment and if I give a title, which I obviously have to give, like maybe I can give a welcome message, and in here you can see there are two options for me, even that first name and last name I can also tag with my message. So I'm creating hey first name, that is one of my blog. Hello first name, hey there. So this is basically a welcome message which I can add like this, and I can save this message segment. I will add another one as intro segment. Now if I feel like no, means this is something like it is not something that I'm showing my intro or I'm actually providing any sort of introduction of mine, I can also come back and edit this segment and I can change this title or any of these blocks that we are currently having in here. Now I'll add another one as intro message. And now suppose when someone will see my message, what exactly I'm going to tell about myself, and then also what exactly is, means the connection, why they should actually connect with us, that sort of message I have to give, right? So that they can see, that they can read that, and then we can actually start a conversation from there, right? So this is one of the intro message. Then I can add another one. I shouldn't have closed that because I didn't saved it. No issues. Now I would like to generate 3 more similar kind of message. And then I'll update the segment again to add another block like this. Now I do have 3 different segments, and each of them are containing multiple blocks in them, right? Now a group does what? It actually adds up the multiple segments or the other options that we have as static text. Also you can add keywords, you can add. So one by one I'm gonna show you, and then I'm also gonna explain you how this whole thing actually works, right? So I'm gonna pick the segments. First it should go my welcome message that hi there, and then it should actually send the personal question that how are you, and then I will add the other one as the intro, and now I can add this one as a group. I can build another message set like welcome message, and then only the personal question and add. I can add another one as welcome message, and then I can add the intro directly, and I can also add another one that hi there, and then I can add, if I select keywords, then you can see the first name last name it will take, but as I already have given that under my welcome message, so I don't have to worry about that. I can also show you that how I can add a static text. Here I can write that and I can add it, and then I can save this. So now what will happen and why I'm actually adding all this, if you actually remember that if I visit any group, like for an example business ideas for Indian entrepreneurs, so in here if I have 75 people only, and I wanna send them a personalized message each time when I'm sending a friend request to them, then first I have to click on this, then if I hover on it I can go back in here, and I can then write the whole message that I wanna send, right? In the meantime you can see very first person already received one friend request from my side. Now the second person also received one, and if I go back to my messenger list, and you see both of them are here, like the very first one is here already and the second one came in. Now the first one, hello, the first name that I tagged, and this is San from tier 5, the this also get, and then hope you are doing well. So this, you have seen that this is actually came from the segment, and this is that static text I have added, right? And now the second person is actually getting the hey there and hope everything is fine on your end. So if I can recall, this is also is coming from basically one of the group message set that I had, and that was basically this one, this welcome message and personal question that hey there, hope everything is fine on your end, right? And this other person, this person actually received it from here. Now when the third person will receive this, okay, so this person also received one message from my side. Let's see which one. So this also came from this particular group. So that also came from this one. So like this way, if I actually now, as the number of people that I just sent friend request to was very limited, like 3, and for you, if you are running for 10, 50, 100, that point of time you will be able to see more randomized message for all of those people who are going to get a friend request from your side, right? So this is something how you can create a segment, and then how then you can actually add them inside the group, and then how you can actually use the group basically on the home page in here while you are sending out the messages, right? Now the same sort of group only you can use under these settings. So how you are going to use that and what exactly these features does, I'm going to show you in my next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.